They say discipline is everything. Wake up at 5 a.m. Cold showers. No sugar. Meditate upside down on a mountain or whatever. But what if I told you discipline is kinda overrated? Yeah, I said it. Don't cancel me yet. Hear me out. Most people think winners are these robotic productivity machines. Like they just love pain and routine. Nah. The truth is, even the most successful people hate doing hard things. They just set up their lives so they don't have to rely on discipline every day. Let's be real. Discipline fades. You're hyped Monday, meh by Thursday, and by Friday, you're in bed watching raccoon videos with snacks on your chest. Relatable? Good. So what actually builds winners? Systems, habits, environment, tiny choices that make the right thing the easy thing. Example, if your goal is to read more, don't wait to feel motivated. Just put a book on your pillow. Now, you have to move it before sleep. Boom, 5 pages a night. That's over 1,800 pages a year. That's like 3 really smart-sounding books or 9 mediocre ones. Or fitness. Don't count on 6 a.m. willpower. Pack your gym bag the night before and guilt trip yourself by putting it on your shoes. Now, laziness has to fight guilt. Guilt usually wins. Sometimes. Winners don't grind 24/7. They build a life where good choices happen without thinking too hard. Discipline is the spark, but design is the fuel. So yeah, discipline might get you started, but if you want to win long-term, build habits, create triggers, make it easy to win. Because you're not lazy, you're just human. If you're into real talk with less fluff and more strategy, hit that subscribe button. Join the crew. Let's build smarter, not harder.